Hi girls, fire up. Here we go. Welcome to online learning. I have hopefully included everything you need to know on your PowerSchool page, but I just wanted to say welcome. I look forward to meeting with you on Zoom just to be able to see your faces because I miss already being with you in person. I hope that we can knock this out in 8 days and get back to school, but if not, we will make a transition and go from algebra to geometry. So know that that will be coming up if we aren't able to go back. But for right now, we're finishing chapter 5, so most of your work is a review. There's only one new section, which I have a screencast made that hopefully will teach you all you need to know. It's really not even that much new material, and then we're just going to practice the skills that you've already been taught. There is a screencast in case you really have a lot of cobwebs in your closet. We will hopefully can use that to help clear them out, but I have given you just several review assignments, and hopefully it'll be an appropriate amount of work, but we will touch base, and if we do end up with a part 2 to this, then I value your feedback. So I look forward to seeing you via Zoom when it's scheduled for your class time to meet. Hope you're well.